Hey, what's up guys? It's Inca 4x4, and in this video we're gonna go out and do a cleanup with Sean and Michelle and the Venture Unknown Foundation. It's linked below. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I really appreciate everyone that came out to this, and let's just go over the cleanup. And again, make sure to support them, Venture Unknown Foundation. Thank you again. Oh, there you go. That did it. Nice. Yeah, we just made it to the trailhead. We met up with Brooks. Paul's here. This is a nice Jeep with his trailer. We're about to go help clean up. The whole crew should be here.
Hey guys, Sean here, chairman of Venture Unknown Foundation, out here with our volunteers for spring clean and camp. We've cleaned up FSR 150 this go around. This place was covered in every square foot of trash, and it looks better and better. I think the common reason for us being here is we all love nature. We all like taking care of the environment. So we're glad to be here. Thank you for everybody for coming.
See, now it's there we go. That's what it's mouthful.
Hey guys, so thanks again for Sean for putting on this with Michelle behind us. You see everyone just putting in a lot of work, cleaning up this shooting range. Again, make sure to go over to the Venture Unknown Foundation. This is where you'll see all the information for the group cleanup events and other events like this in North Georgia and really the Southeast. So make sure to go check them out, ventureunknownfoundation.org.